The college auditorium buzzes with anticipation, a beacon of light against the night. Cameras flash, capturing the electric atmosphere as the Humanity Marketing Competition banner waves proudly. The silhouettes of attendees fill every seat, their excitement palpable. Awaiting their moment, competitors ready their presentations, poised to change the world. The activist stands centered on the stage, her piercing gaze capturing the attention of every student in the auditorium. Behind her, a projection screen commands attention with its stark warning. Save the planet. Save the world. Her voice resonates with urgency. Our planet is dying, and we are the generation that can save it. She implores the audience, her voice reaching a crescendo. We must act now. The vivid image of a recycling icon blazes behind her, a stark reminder of their shared responsibility. The college auditorium buzzes with anticipation as a charismatic moderator strides confidently to center stage. His warm smile radiates across the room, inviting the audience into the Humanity Marketing Competition. Behind him, a brightly lit sign proclaims the noble cause. Humanity Marketing Competition. Which idea will truly help humanity? Tonight we explore different paths, the moderator declares, his voice resonating with hope.